So Alnylam was founded in 2002 to develop an entirely new class of medicines based on the science of RNA interference. RNA interference is a process that occurs in all of our cells, and the discovery of which was awarded the Nobel Prize in Medicine. We've been working for 16 or 17 years now at Alnylam to develop an entirely new class of medicines that can take advantage of this natural process and actually block the production of particular disease-causing proteins. The focus so far has been on blocking the production of proteins in the liver that are involved in disease-causing processes. And through that, we've developed a pipeline of medicines that are targeted against rare diseases where there are known genetic defects or mutations that may be disease-causing. So we've been focusing on diseases like hereditary TTR amyloidosis, acute hepatic porphyria, and primary hyperoxaluria, to name a few. But we've continued to branch out into a whole series of diseases where we think that this very targeted approach can help address a particular disease. As we've made platform advances, we're now finding that we can actually deliver these therapeutics subcutaneously, and that we've been able to also make them more convenient, such that they can be dosed oftentimes sub-Q with a less than 1 ml injection once a month, once a quarter, and sometimes once every 6 months. More recently, we've identified ways to deliver RNAi therapeutics into the central nervous system. And so a whole new area that we'll be pursuing at Alnylam is treating rare neurologic disorders where we can identify a particular approach, a particular disease where an RNAi therapeutic silencing approach may offer a therapeutic benefit to people. And through that, we've built a really broad pipeline of medicines. We now have 6 medicines in late-phase clinical development, the first being patisiran Onpattro, which is now marketed, but we also have 5 other molecules in late-stage development addressing diseases such as primary hyperoxaluria, acute hepatic porphyria, in partnership with the medicines company for hypercholesterolemia, or hemophilia and rare diseases in partnership with Sanofi Genzyme. And behind that, we have a whole series of earlier stage molecules addressing a range of diseases. We're partnered with Vir Pharmaceuticals to develop a therapeutic for hepatitis B. We're working on alpha-1 antitrypsin disease. We're working on complement disorders. And so we've been able to develop relatively rapidly a very broad portfolio of medicines that we hope can address a range of human diseases and really make a difference for patients suffering from these conditions.